Mark, Artur, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys?
Great.
Good. Good morning.
Guys, very special package in my hand. You guys know what it is?
I bet you Artur might have an idea, but I'm curious. I can maybe guess at it, but unbox that.
Yeah.
Guys, we are going to be putting AIR in everywhere. Autonomous Intelligent Response. And what I hold in front of me right now is the final candidate for RADCam, which will be the first AIR-infused residential camera. I can imagine we'll have a line potentially if this unit is successful. AIR-infused RADCam.
Looks great.
That is
Turn it all the way around, Steve, so we can see it from the front. There you go. Artur's seen it already, but this is my first experience with it. There you go.
I love this thing. It's made out of steel. I hope this is the one that becomes the final unit, but right now it's certainly leaning in that direction.
Right. Yeah, we've tested a bunch of them, and that one is, the best that we feel really great going forward with.
I think so too. 25 manufacturers later.
So you mentioned AIR, Steve. You said AIR. Is that we're going from talk down to talking? Is that it?
Exactly. Huh. We're going from the talk down cameras, remote operator talking through a mic, telling people what to do. We know how effective it is. So we kind of went from remote video monitoring sitting on top of our autonomous response. And now we're taking that final next step into autonomous intelligent response, going from talk down camera to talking camera. And this is going to be the first one on the residential side. Of course, it's going to be in all the RAD devices as well.
Yeah, you mentioned the RAD devices, which of course near and dear to our collective hearts. But I see that, and I think that we've got to get this in the hands of clients and dealers too, right? What do you guys think about that?
The more the merrier, man, for sure.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
It's to me, I think they would see the value right away, and it's significant change, right? This is really bringing about industry change, so we got to get that into the more hands as we or the most hands as we possibly can.
I think so.
So, Steve, can we bring this, or can we give this to all RAD Inc. customers?
I mean, we certainly can. I think we should. I think that we should set up a program where RAD Inc. customers and dealers get a RADCam with something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I think we build it into the program there. But yeah, for sure. I'm down. I love that.
Funny enough that you say you want to give it to our commercial partners, because as Steve mentioned before, the quality and the build is solid metal. So I know it's we're gearing it towards residential, but it's a really good product.
Yeah, the application definitely goes wide, very, very wide. So I'm excited about this now. Steve, timelines, next steps, what are we looking at?
Well, we on our schedule for production for this is we need to make the final decision, making this the actual unit on May 28th. That's the decision date to stay on track for RADCam. So we'll know next week if this indeed is going to be the final unit. Of course, I highly expect it will be, but it's not done till it's done. From that point, we're going to have some type of in-country kind of pilot, kind of looking for 100, 200, 300 beta testers. I don't know the exact number yet. Might limit it to 100. I don't know yet. So we'll bring in those units. We'll start using those beta users to trim out the customer experience and the functionality and do a lot of learning in that process. And then that's while, of course, we build, probably 10,000, maybe 20,000 of these and get them ready for sale in the fall. So that's kind of roughly what the timeline is. In terms of the betas being available, I would say July. Units would be in hand of the beta testers in July, August is what we're looking for.
Yeah. Well, from top down to talking, that change is significant, right? And that's going to impact the industry. So I'm really looking forward to getting that in the hands of our customers. And you know what? Personally, I'm looking forward to getting mine.
That's what I'm saying too. You know, I'm saying too. I love my roses, but you know, a little overkill for the house. So this is going to be the first residential AIR device, the first purpose-built AIR device. All right, guys, let's go. Have a great one.